Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott Front Generation 3 air spring designed for the Land Rover Range Rover P38A. This video will walk you through the essential steps to ensure a successful installation. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by raising the vehicle on a hoist or another adequate structure. Then remove the front wheel and arch liner. Now depressurize the air spring by removing the air hose. Clean the surrounding area and seal off the hose and the spring. Then remove the top clip securing the air spring to the chassis and also remove the lower bolt securing the air spring retaining pin to the axle bracket. Then remove the retaining pin as well. Next, raise the chassis for clearance and remove the old air spring assembly. Install the new front air spring in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air spring of a Land Rover Range Rover P38A with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.